Enjoy? Enjoy, Van? Wow! Ganda ng pool tuwing gabi, guys. Actually, the entire place. Uy! 1, 2, 3. Miss you. Good morning, guys. Welcome to Pampanga. It's around 8 a.m. in the morning and nandito po tayo ngayon sa RCE Private Resort located sa may Pias, Porac Pampanga, and they are preparing our breakfast for today while the kids are enjoying the pool. So ayun, guys, I'm gonna show you the place, what happened last night. Pero almusal muna tayo ngayon. Tara! Pipino's, tomato. Ayan, foreigner hotdog. German cat. Ito naman, Tocinos. Tawag dito, Tocinos. Guys, a little bit of everything. Ito naman ay longanize. Tawag dito, longanize. Tingnan na lang natin lahat, no? Shanghai rolls. Ayan, ito. Para naman silang mga firecrackers dahil maliliit. Ayan. Lagyan natin siya ng garlic butter on top. You know, rice. Let's all rise. Ganda ng pool tuwing gabi, guys. Actually, the entire place, napaka-inviting niya to stay outside dahil nga napaka-spacious. At the same time, yung pool natin doon inviting din as well. This is the place during the evening. Ito siya. So, magbibis lang kami, guys, later on sa swimming na. Hi, Uni! What?